Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see some beginning sound activities. Once the child have learned the sounds, you should always revise the sounds. So prepare flashcards like this and do revise with the child. So you can also do like this. You can spread out different sounds over here, and you can tell a sound. If I say ah, the child has to pick up that particular flashcard. T, t, the child has to pick up that particular flashcard. So this is one way you can do revise your sounds with. And the other way what you can do is you can actually write the letter sounds in these kinds of blocks, the wooden blocks. The child can just roll the die and tell what sound is this. So likewise you can do revision of letter sounds, that is really required. And now let's see some beginning sound activities. This is the first activity. For each of the letters I have written some words like this, and I have some magnetic letters here. The child have to look at the word and identify the beginning sound. They should know that this is the beginning sound, and before they start to blend, they can just know this is the beginning sound. Okay, and they can start matching the beginning sounds with that particular letter. That can be the first activity. So what you can do is you can provide these kinds of, you can also write the words in paper or in a bottle cap, anything you can do. So but try to do hands-on activities, that really helps. So here the first letter is a. So where is a? It's here. And the next one is d here, d. The child has to match it there. And the next word is over here is p, and sun. So that is how this activity goes. The child has to do for all the 26 letters. The second activity is matching the objects with that particular beginning sound. So here I have some foam letters. So the child has to match the objects with the letters here. So this will be a very hands-on way. They are directly dealing with the object. Apple, it starts with a. So it has to be matched with the a. Okay, so like that the child has to match. And so that is the beginning sound. So the child has to place across the letter a. Okay, and the next object is duck, d. It starts with d, duck. And cat, k. So it starts with k. And the next one is frog. It starts with f. So the child has to place it across f. And then ball, b. Starts with b. Horse, h. And this is a boat, b. Apple, a. Fish, starts with f. Dog, d, dog. Likewise, the child has to identify the beginning sound of the object and match it to the corresponding letter. So that is this activity. You can also use some teaching boards like this, where you will have the letters, the picture corresponding to that letter, and the word corresponding to that picture. So you can use like this, where the child can able to identify that this is the beginning sound. Cat, k, cat. So likewise you can use teaching boards like this. You can also use some board games like this. This is sequence letters, which is actually a game for beginning sound. And this actually has a game board like this. Okay, you have pictures on both the sides. As of now, I'm showing you only this side. You have two pictures for each sound. You have some cards like this, and they have given some tokens like this. You have some rules in the game. A 3-year-old can't understand all these rules and play. So how I play with my kid is, we'll be having these cards. We'll just take 5 tokens for each of us, and what we do is, we have to pick up a card in random, and we have to the child has to sound this letter. This is d. So the child has to find out which of these pictures starts with d. It's duck, d. So he can place his chip over that picture. Okay, so likewise we have to take the cards randomly and place our chips alternatively on the game board. So whoever finishes the 5 tokens and identifies the sounds wins. If you don't have these things, you can always create a DIY version where you can use some pictures and some flashcards, and you can make this game on your own. The next one is skill of fun puzzle, where the child has to, I'll just place the letters over here. I've just taken some 3 random letters. So the child has to identify the beginning sound and has to match that particular sound with that particular letter. So this is carrot, so, and dog, duck, cat. This is a jellyfish, so it comes under J. Jeep, it comes under J. Jug. And this is how the puzzle looks like. You have 3 different words for a letter. So child can actually identify the beginning sound and match it with that. You have the words also in it, and likewise the child has to do. And in this thing, one more thing what you can do with this particular puzzle is, you can hide the picture and tell and ask the child to tell what is the beginning sound for this particular picture. Jug, what is the beginning sound? J. And once this child started blending the words, then you can hide the picture and ask the child to read this particular word, jug, jug, and you can the child can see whether it is right or not. So like that you can play different things with this particular puzzle. And so these are the activities for beginning sound. And if you like this video, please do hit that like button, and if you like watching more phonics related hands-on activities and DIY worksheets, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also click on the bell icon to make sure that you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.